Hello, I am going to show you today how to take a picture using your Chromebook. So you want to start by going to this launcher down here, and if you don't see the camera automatically showing, you can search for it by typing in camera and then going ahead and opening that. Once it launches, you can take your picture. Now, I know my Chromebook only has a front camera, which is why you can see me on the screen. So in order to take a picture of my work, I have to hold it up to the screen close enough so that the camera can see it and then take the picture. All right, so you can see down here, here is my picture. If I click on that, it'll take me over to the gallery. And there's my work. It's not a great camera, but it'll do. And then I have to figure out how to share that work with someone else. So I got to figure out, where does it live? So if I go under more options, I can click on open. Again, that was the three dots up at the top, and then open. And here is my picture that I just took. Rename, just so it makes it easier for me to find it later. Friendly letter. This is take 2 because I had some tech issues earlier. But you can see it's living in my files under downloads. It's not in my drive. So I'm going to go, and now we're going to see if we can't search it out a little bit and track it down. So I am going to wait for that to load. And here I'm going to grab it from my downloads, because remember, that's where I left it. And here is my friendly letter. So I'm going to click on open. And now that friendly letter file, it is uploading into my drive. And once I have it in Drive, that gives me a whole lot of other options. So I can actually attach it to an assignment, or I can share it with a teacher, or I can share it with a friend, or however you want to communicate out your information. It can be shared. So I just want to double check. Is my friendly letter? Looks like it has completed, and it is now living in show the file location. It's trying to pinpoint that location for me. But it is living in my drive. So once it's in your drive, now you've got some options for sharing it, and I'll have a separate video that shows you how to attach it from your drive into Google Classroom. So again, here it is right here. If I right-click on it, another option that I have is to share it directly with the person that I want to send it to. So here's the share button. Aha. So then you can decide, who do you want to share that with. So perhaps you want to share it with your teacher. So you could type in your teacher's name, want to share it with that person. You get to decide what kind of rights do you give them. So instead of editor, perhaps I just want that person to be able to view my picture. And then you can send them a message to let them know. Hello, Mrs. Kelm. I am sending you this picture. Hope you... All right, then go ahead and click on send, and your picture is off on its way. That's how you take a picture and share it with somebody else in using a Chromebook.